Hi guys, we're at Thomson Nature Park.
So let us explore this hidden gem in Thomson.
Let's go! We are on our way to the Ruins and Figs Trail. And do you hear like the birds chirping and the insects making noise? It's super tranquil here. So we are here, Ruins and Figs Trail. We're gonna go in and see what there is inside there.
And did you know that Thomson Nature Park used to be a Hainanese village up till the 1980s?
So I know a lot of y'all go to MacRitchie Reservoir and other nature parks, but do you know that Thomson Nature Park has a lot of their own trails? I think there's like 5 different trails that you guys can follow.